Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to read deleted Facebook messages. So let's start. Sometimes your friend sends you a message and deletes it afterwards and you cannot read that message. So let me show you how you can do that. First, open the Google Play Store. Now search for NaughtySave app. This is a completely free app, so download it and open it right now. When you open the app for the first time, you will see an interface like this. Now tap next on bottom right corner. Then tap next again. Now you have to allow access to notification. From here, enable NaughtySave and then tap allow. Now it will load all the apps from your phone. From this list, you have to block the apps which you don't want on the notifications. Here you can see all the messaging apps are not blocked. So I'll just block all of them except Messenger. Now go back. And then tap on the tick button on bottom right corner. And from now on, whenever your friend sends you a message and deletes it afterwards, you'll be able to see that message here. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.